Hello and welcome to the future of education here at RCDI. If you look at the wall behind me, the wall isn't big enough to cover all the skills that are covered here within RCDI.
The Dance Center of Design and Innovation, the thought process was always give an opportunity to more and more students of all over India.
So when they come at RCDI, the first thing when a parent or a kid come in, they see that's a big open space, there's no walls, and that's by design. So we want our kids to work together, to always be collaborating with each other, exchanging ideas, improving their ideas, and giving feedback to each other.
It has been really amazing coming here, looking at the teachers, and you guys have been doing such amazing things.
At RCDI, we teach them different skills to draw and thereby represent objects on paper. We teach them 8 to 10 different methods of making different prototypes.
So at our center, we primarily focus on design, technology and sustainability, empowering young minds to create designs that are solutions, not just products, but solutions to real life problems.
The coolest thing about RCDI that I can see, which is reflecting in her response to RCDI, is the open-ended learning, right? The creative thinking. You have such nice, amazing tools over here, and kids, I feel they really enjoy, they really look up to coming here.
So we've learned how to use the foam cutter, scroll saw and other machines, which felt very nice to use, especially at such a young age. I always thought I would do this like when I was older or something. So whenever I'm here, I'm like, this is a pretty nice place.